This one not me. Face jacket. And I get back. Is this one face tracking? No. Just normal. The one that was face tracking. How much is this one? That one 45. Holding tight, satin clothes, my heart's the light, caught in a tunnel, through which you love to funnel.
Go enjoy yourself.
Eh?
Go enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Hi guys, officially I want to welcome you guys back to my channel. If you're new here, hi there and happy new year. Yeah, I think this is my first video of the year, although I posted my December vlog early this January. So I want to say happy new year to you all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikeja. I make beauty content, lifestyle and vlog. Yeah, so if you're new here, click the subscribe button. I actually got a gift for myself this year. If you've been long on this channel and you've been following my growth, you would actually notice that I have not been using this particular thing to shoot my content. But this year is different and I gifted myself something. I actually promised myself this year to buy something new for myself every time when I have money to do that, and I actually did, starting from this January. I also promised myself to elevate my style, yes, my fashion style. I also promise to always write down what I'm grateful for or what I'm thankful for every single day. And I've started doing that and I've realized that it's really helpful. I'm thankful for my growth actually. So, yeah, I got the tripod! Yeah, I have actually made an unboxing video, but I still want to do the unboxing video for YouTube. If you're looking to take your vlogging seriously this year, I would advise that you get this L16 tripod to start shooting your content inside and outside. Oh my god, ha! A tripod owner. Anyways, guys, this is it. This is it. Hallelujah. 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 Anyways, I'm grateful. I also got a package from Madam Mesoma Meje. She's a YouTuber. I'm sure you guys would know her. She's actually a YouTuber, yeah. Madam Mesoma Meje. She gave me this. I already know what's inside. I just want to say I'm thankful, I'm grateful. This actually means a lot. I know that the festive season is gone, but you still decided to give gifts people, and that really means a lot. The package, I just received it today and I'm grateful. Thank you so much, Ma. I love you. Really like to see it. This is it, guys, because I figured that you guys were not seeing it very well. Thank you, Stella. Thank you, Madam Mesoma Meje. It really means a lot. I appreciate. Thank you, guys. Mwah. Come on, guys, get ready with me to go to church. Today is the 18th of January. Yeah, so I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to go to church with my outfit. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I'm actually contemplating if I should drop my hair down or just pack it. I think I'll just leave it down because it's obviously already rough. Yeah. Anyways, I'm set. This is the bag I'm carrying. Yeah, and shoe. Let me show you the shoe I'm wearing. I'm wearing this shoe, obviously with this feet. Yeah, so if you're actually seeing this face for the first time and you like what you see, you know what to do, you know what to do. Anyways, guys, thank you for hanging out with me. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video or the previous one, whichever you prefer. Bye bye.